During my analysis videos and during the live streams, like you can see right here, you probably heard me talk about Fibonacci extension levels or ABC patterns. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw these levels and how to use them for targets and potential reversals in the market. Now, once I get done showing you guys how we can draw out these patterns, we're going to come back and revisit this chart right here and draw out that same ABC target that you saw at the beginning of this video, showing the target I was actually focused on with that trade that I took during the live stream. So now let's talk about what is an ABC pattern or a Fibonacci extension level, where it's going to be very simple. The first thing we want to see is we need to see an impulse leg. Now that can be an impulse leg up, or it can be an impulse leg on the way down. If it's an impulse leg on the way down, we'll be looking for a Fibonacci extension level targeting lower prices. If the first impulse leg is up, we'll be looking for an upper target. Now, the concept behind the Fibonacci extension is the fact that if the market was able to move this distance on the impulse move on the way up, why would we not think it can also move that same distance once a retracement is over? And what a retracement will look like is something like this. We'll get a pullback. Quite often, it'll fall anywhere between the 38 Fibonacci retracement level and the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. So we can just simply grab our Fibonacci retracement tool and measure. In this case, my eyes automatically stopped it right there at the 61.8. Now I'm going to draw something out for you real quick and show you guys using the Fibonacci extension tool. You can come right up here on NinjaTrader, and we'll do the same exercise on TradingView in here in just a second. But you want to go where it says drawing tools. Now you can see that I have my Fibonacci tools using hotkeys. The extension is going to be my F5 hotkey, and I'm going to measure at the start of that impulse move, which would be at the bottom, all the way up here to the top. And then I'm going to pull down to where that retracement actually stops. And notice where this target is going to be. It's going to be right up here at 29,164 at the 100% Fibonacci extension level. But I want to caution you guys, because sometimes we do go a little bit further, but if we want to be more conservative with our targets, this is a more reliable target. So what makes the Fibonacci extension so great and being able to predict the market's going to stop at that level? Well, for this, I'm going to go ahead and take that same arrow that we first drew. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to right click and click paste. So now I have two of these same identical impulse leg moves on the way up. Well, if I go ahead and grab that right to where the retracement stopped, notice where that target is. All this is essentially is an equal move. If the market can move this distance on the way up, why would we not think it can move that same distance once a retracement is over? Now, if we jump over to TradingView real quick, in order to access that tool, you want to come right over here. You want to come right over here on the left-hand side and scroll down to where it says trend-based Fibonacci extension. And then from there, we can go ahead and draw an ABC pattern. Well, if we look right here, here's an impulse move on the way down. Then we get a corrective move on the way up right here. And notice right where the market terminates and then ultimately ends up getting a bounce coming right back to structure. And this happens every single day in the market. If you guys are on the live stream, you guys see me talk about this religiously time and time again. And if you guys don't want to miss the next time I go live, make sure you subscribe and you have the bell notifications turned on for all. So now, do you see any, as you look at this chart, do you see any other Fibonacci extension levels? Your eyes should naturally start to gravitate towards it the more you draw them. Well, here's one right here, A to B, B to C. And you can see in this case, we actually overshot it a little bit up towards that 127 extension. But still, if you were looking to play this, you could still target out very conservatively right there at that 100% Fibonacci retracement level. Now, if we come back over here real quick and I remove all the drawing objects, let's go back over to that example that I took a clip from during the live stream. And notice what we have right here. Here's going to be the impulse leg on the way down. So I'm going to go ahead and hit my F5 hotkey, and I'm going to simply draw that out, A to B. Then we pull up here to the top of where this retracement is, and notice where we complete. Not only do we hit the 100% level, but the market went a little bit lower. So what if we wanted to use this as a reversal point to look to get long? How do we know when to get into the market? We already talked about a very conservative target would be to take profits somewhere around that 100% level. Well, if you're a trader that likes to trade reversal, it's going to be very simple. As we come down to the 100% or more, but I do not want to exceed the 200% extension level, then from that point on, all we gotta do is wait for a candle to break the prior candle's high, and that would be right here. Now from there, you can get a little retracement right here on the way back up. Now it might not look like much, but from the top of that candle right up here to this wick, that would be 48 points on the NASDAQ. And if you guys are trading the E-mini contract, that would be worth almost $1,000 on one contract. So now let's go ahead and use an example from tonight as I'm recording this video, and the date is going to be May 24th. And I don't know how this is going to play out. This is going to be right from the hip, but notice what we have right here. Here's a big impulse move right up here. Where do we pull back to? Right down here. And then from that point on, we want to go ahead and project where would this ABC pattern complete. Look right up here, 29,904. Now, if you're able to get involved somewhere down in this area, we even go there all the way up towards here, that is good for 56 points on the NASDAQ. So that one contract would be worth more than $1,000. Now, I do want to caution you guys, no matter what trading strategy that you trade, there will be losses along the way. There is nothing in the market where you can win 100% of the time. So now let's talk about what invalidates a potential ABC pattern or a Fibonacci extension, however you want to go ahead and call it out. Well, in this example, let's go ahead and draw out that first impulse leg right here. Let's say that we then get a corrective move on the way down, and now the market is going to go ahead and try to rally right back up. Well, is there a point in this pattern where we invalidate any potential ABC pattern or Fibonacci extension to the upside? Well, for this, you want to go ahead and grab your Fibonacci retracement tool. In NinjaTrader, it'll be under drawing tools. It'll be right here where it says Fibonacci retracement. And if you're going to use TradingView, right back over here to the drawing tools, simply click there where it says Fibonacci retracement. And again, that's going to give you that same tool that we're going to talk about here in just a moment. So what I want to do is I want to grab that Fibonacci retracement from that swing low where the impulse move started. I want to go ahead and pull it up. If I see the market dip much past the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, I'm no longer going to be looking for any type of Fibonacci extension level up above us. Could the market still go up there and produce one? Yes, but I would say more often than not, the more likelihood would be that once we break the 78.6, even if we bounce up a little bit, it's going to be a much higher probability that we're going to come down and at minimum do 100% retracement, which means that this retracement leg will continue to go down, 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 and make it down to the 100% level or maybe even lower from that point on. So that's something that you do want to consider if you're looking to trade the Fibonacci extension levels. Now, I do want to remind everybody it's not too late to take advantage of Take Profit Traders, 50% off all their evaluation accounts. Best yet, zero activation fee. If you guys want to take advantage of that offer, use the link in the description box down below. And don't forget, you can always go to propfirmmike.com, sort by the best prop firm or prop firm challenges to figure out which challenge best suits your needs. Again, propfirmmike.com. And if you'd like to learn the truth about Take Profit Traders payouts, then you want to make sure to watch this next video right here.